Today I'm gonna answer all of your questions. Auctions are the starting point of every car import. And today our auction experts will explain how these auctions work and how PGL makes these steps reliable and easy for our customers. Let's begin with Copart. Our expert member of auction account team will explain how Copart works from start to finish, from registration to bidding to winning and post-sale support.
Okay, so basically the Copart auction is a multinational and also the global leader for online auction vehicles. Currently, the Copart auction has more than 400 locations, physical locations, and also daily more than 14,000 vehicles will be put on a live bid. So this was a brief introduction about the Copart itself. In order to get access to the Copart auction, first step is to register or sign up at the auction itself. For that, we need a document that needs to be provided, such as trading and business license, also the tax certificate and the relevant information regarding the business and also the personnel itself. So once we get registered, we will automatically get access to the Copart account itself. So by that, we will be able to bid online, and also needed vehicles that they required will be purchased. And I can proudly announce that the PGL itself currently have more than 500 active accounts at the Copart auction only. So for that, it will become more easily for our customers to get access to the Copart auction accounts. Once registered, you can search at Copart listing extensives for your desired vehicle through model, make, year and vehicle details. So once you have got your desired vehicle, the next phase is bidding. Actually, the bidding has two types. One is max bid and the second one is live bid. Max bid is what you will set your price and the system will automatically bid till the amount that you set at the first place. And the live auction, the competitors will join and the vehicle will be sold at the live auctions. The highest bidder will be awarded the vehicle. The Copart will generate the invoice with the appropriate payment method. Once the vehicle has been paid, we will arrange the pickup and will ship the vehicle to the desired location of the customers.
Now let's move to IAAI. Our expert colleague will walk us through the IAAI process, how it works, how customers can participate, and how PGL supports them at every step.
So basically, just like the rest of the auctions, IAA, or fully known as Insurance Auto Auctions, allows us to bid on their stocks physically and virtually. The IAA operates in UK, Canada, United States, and Australia. Our customers are able to participate through two different ways. The first way is going to be us providing our customers with our accounts, through which they could basically watch a list and bid on vehicles, and they could later inform us on the vehicle they have bid on. The other way, we provide our customers a variety of supports, which includes opening and unblocking their account, as well as uploading their updated documents, which could be their identification document, their business license, as well as their selfie, and so on.
Next, we will hear about Manheim. Our expert will explain how Manheim auctions operate and how PGL ensures customers get smooth access, bidding and purchasing.
Actually, Manheim is one of the largest auto auctions in the US, offering a wholesale and retail ready cars. Unlike other salvage auctions like Copart and IA, Manheim deals with the clean and the latest vehicles. Manheim auctions restricted with the US dealer license. Registering with the Manheim requires a US dealer license, which is a complex process, time-consuming and costly. That's where PGL steps in. We simplify the process by providing smooth access to Manheim accounts, from bidding to buying. and all the necessary steps. Once you win a vehicle, we process all the paperwork and ship the cars to your destination.
So basically, except Manheim, what other US local auctions can customers get access through PGL?
Fortunately, I can name from ACV, H-Pipeline, and Odessa. These are the local auctions, like the Manheim. All the process are the same with the Manheim.
What new facilities has PGL brought into the auction process to make it easier for our customers?
Besides IAAI, Copart, and other local auctions in the US, we are pleased to inform our customers that we have started shipping vehicles from the Canadian soil. This has expanded our operational scope and activity beyond United States. Our customers are able to buy with more varieties and options. Basically, they can buy any vehicle they would like to purchase.
How does PGL's support help customers bid more effectively?
Actually, we provide different type of accounts to our different type of customers according to their need and to get access to the bidding.
Could you please elaborate more?
Sure, it means customers that purchase salvage vehicles, we provide them salvage accounts, such as Copart and I. And the customers that purchase luxury type vehicles, we provide them local auctions, such as Odessa, Manheim, ACV, and H-Pipe.
I believe all of your questions are answered now. This was everything regarding auction account services. If you have any further question, contact PGL. Our auction account experts are available 24/7.